Guys, I'm showing you this dehumidifier from HOMPANY store. This is a humidifier for home, 320 square feet small dehumidifier with a 38 ohms or 1100 ml water tank, auto shut off and 7 color lights. You can use it for closet, shoe cabinet, jewelry, cosmetics or RV. And you can see this is a very nice design with the look of this touch. And this is a portable humidifier. So this is for the small space. So just taken in the plastics and then take this material off, and this is the adapter that comes with it. This adapter is a 240 watt adapter, so it can be used anywhere or any other country. So I will just put in all these things and show you this for the air and everything. The manual is in the corner that you can see, and just putting in the power supply just to show you its function. So the build quality wise, this looks really nice, and power on the button, and you can see the lights coming there. There are totally 7 color lights you can use as a night lamp, and you can turn off the night light as well, like the basis you want. So it's pretty straightforward function, on and off button and then the light button, and you can just do this. So it's very nice solid design, and see the light function, 7 different lights. So once this start working, it will collect in the water in the bottom corner. See, like the water start coming up, and then if you just want to take it off the water, you can just empty it and you can use it again. So very nice dehumidifier for the purpose and small spaces.